Let us solve this question. If f of x equal to x square minus 1 divided by x raised to 4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx for every lambda element of real number, then for lambda greater than 2, x greater than 0, if f of x, the integral value of f of x equal to 1 by g of x into f of, it's a function, capital F is a function, f of, inside that function there is a ratio h of x divided by g of lambda plus c. We need, it is given that this integral value f of x is equal to 1 by lambda into f of h of x divided by g of x plus c, where c is an integration constant. Then the value of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3, which means first we need to find the value of capital F. We need to find the function capital F. Let us integrate this value. F of x equal to integral x square minus 1 divided by x raised to 4 plus lambda x square plus 1. See, whenever you get these kinds of equation, the thing is, have you seen x square minus 1, x square plus 1? Whenever you see this one, do one thing, check these values. The denominator value is made up of x square, x raised to 4, 2 power. Whenever you get these kinds of equation, take an x square common from the numerator and denominator, then do a substitution, you will get the answer. First we can do it. F of x equal to, first I am taking x square from the numerator, it will be x square into 1 minus 1 by x square, the whole divided by, when I take x square from the denominator, x square into x square plus lambda plus 1 by x square dx. Have you understand this one? I have taken x square from the numerator and denominator. Now I am cancelling each of these value. Now I am writing integral 1 minus 1 by x square divided by, can I group these values together? I can group it, x square plus 1 by x square. Now what I am doing, I am writing this value someplace. I have left some space. Now if I am adding a 2 and subtracting a 2, what is the difference? This is of the form x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x by x. So you put x by x, what will you get? A square plus b square plus 2ab. When you multiply these two, you will get it. Now our f of x will become f of x equal to 1 minus 1 by x square integral of 1 minus 1 by x square divided by, this value I can write it as x plus 1 by x the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus lambda minus 2 dx. Now we can put a substitution. Let t be this value. Let t equal to x plus 1 by x. I am substituting this value as t. So what is the value of dt? dt equal to derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and derivative of x with respect derivative of x will be dx. So the derivative of this t is dt. This is 1. This is minus 1 by x square dx. Now we can substitute f of x equal to 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to 1 minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt divided by, this value is t square plus, we have the integral. See, this value I can write it as root of lambda minus 2 the whole square. Lambda minus 2 I can write it as root of lambda minus 2 the whole square. That's why we have given that lambda greater than 0. They have provided the information. Now this is of the form integral 1 by x square plus a square dx equal to tan inverse of x by a, and there is 1 by a, so 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Similarly, our f of x will be equal to 1 by a. Instead of a we have lambda minus 2 into tan inverse of x. Instead of x we have t divided by t, we have, instead of a we have root of lambda minus 2 plus constant of integration c. Now what is the value of t? The value of t equal to f of x equal to 1 by root of lambda minus 2 tan inverse of t is equal to 1 plus 1 x plus 1 by x, the whole divided by root of lambda minus 2 plus constant of integration. Now we can compare with the given form. We have integrated the value. we have f of x equal to 1 by g of x, g of lambda, sorry, 1 by g of lambda, function in terms of lambda, into a capital function. Inside that function we have a function of x divided by same g of x, same g of lambda plus constant of integration c. When you compare it, see, 1 by g of lambda equal to root of 1 minus 2, the root of lambda minus 2. Similarly, g of lambda equal to root of lambda minus 2, and h of x, a function of x, is x plus 1 by x. Similarly, what is the value of function f, the main function? Inside this function, these are the input value. Our function f of x equal to, our f of x equal to, capital F of x equal to, see what is capital F? Tan inverse of x. Now we need to find the value of f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3, which is equal to f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 is equal to tan inverse of f of x equal to tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of 2 plus tan inverse of 3. Now, what is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan, or tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b plus tan inverse of c? Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b plus tan inverse of c equal to tan inverse of the same formula, tan a plus b plus c. You can arrange, instead of tan a we just put the value of a, tan b we can just put the value of b. It will be tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c divided by 1 minus tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan a tan c. Same tan a plus b plus c formula, you can relate it. Now I am only simplifying the denominator. The denominator will be some value. I am just simplifying the denominator. What is a plus b plus c? Just add these value. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Minus what is ABC? 1 to 2 into 3 is 6. It will be tan inverse of 6 minus 6 is 0. So our answer will be 0.